Recently, there was an incident at Jessie Ripoll Primary. I won't go into details, you can find the story online. But what I want to talk about is what nobody else seems to be addressing. Everybody is focusing on consequences, on punishment, on whether the child should be arrested. But pause for a second, this child is 11 years old. Let's be real, an 11-year-old doesn't just wake up one day and do certain things out of nowhere. Children absorb what they see and hear, especially from adults. And in Jamaican culture, there's a certain kind of talk that happens, particularly from fathers to their sons. A talk that seems normal, until we realize it's shaping how young boys grow up thinking about relationships, respect, and boundaries. You ever notice how some fathers openly talk about sex in front of their little sons like it's a joke? A father sees a woman passing and tells his 5-year-old son, "See a sexy lady there." The boy doesn't even understand what sexy means, but he hears it. A little girl walks by, and the same father asks, "You love her? You want her to be your girlfriend?" Everybody laughs. "Him a gyalist," they say. He's just a child. But what happens when that child grows up? When he believes his worth is tied to how many girls he can get? When he hears these words over and over, shaping how he sees women, relationships, and power. And then, when things happen, things we claim to be shocked by, do we ever ask ourselves, did we help create this? From the moment they can talk, little boys in Jamaica are pushed into manhood in ways they don't even understand. They are told they must like girls. They must prove something. Their innocence is laughed away, and we don't even notice. Then one day, they act on what they've been taught. They see women as something to get. They move without understanding boundaries, respect, or consent. And we ask, how did this happen? The truth is, we should have asked that question long ago. Words matter. The things we say to our children matter. The jokes we make, the way we shape their minds, it all matters. We talk about consequences, but not about culture. We talk about discipline, but not about what these children have been conditioned to believe from early. What do we consider normal? What are we teaching without realizing it? And if we don't change how we speak to our children, especially our sons, what do we expect will happen next?